Kurumjari, Image Paodam Ming Tabini Bakwai Puramaku, Ahanbata Taranok Sari, Nasigi Marui Bapao. Kun Suba State Handloom Numit Nasi Pangtokray. Directorate of Tribal Affairs the Pension Cell Ama, Tribal Affairs and Hills Minister N. Kayasin Hangdokray. Loinana, Unlawful Activities Prevention Amendment Bill 2019 Lok Sabada passed out Kray. Houjik Nasigi Mapumba Pau Amu Lobirasi. Kun Suba State Handloom Numit Thorum Nasi Falaliba, GM Hall Pangtokray. Tormaduda Textile, Commerce and Industries Minister Tongam Bisurjina, Handloom Mudi, Handicraft Potok Sing, Hand Potoktuna, Lepak Sigit Saukat Toranga, Mating Pamang Manava, Honasi Haiki. Mahang Makatan Haiki Bada, Handloom Industry Asi, Manipuri Oina, Anisuba, source of income, Oidibani, Yumtong Kuding the Pisa Kon Sizinatuna, Industry Asibu Chokot Pada, Mateng Panglibani. Industry Sakot Nabahona Badamipum Kuding Maki Atoba Todang Labotanatana, stakeholders Kisu, Maruiba Todang Chauna Laibani. Layana Handloom Industry Asibu, Chokot Naba Angamating Pangani, Pisabi Singumating Pangam Naba Langana Handloom Delivery System of Doctuna, Handloom Potoxing Hand Potok Nabahonagani Haiki. Pisabi Lising Tarasu Langana Training Pidra Manipur Textile Expo Mamanga, Pisakon Lisingani Chamasu, Lemni and Tokani Haiki. Ngasigi Tormaduda Pisabi Kuntra Mangau Pung Tawaki, Minister na Textile, Commerce and Industry Official Singda, Manipurgi Masagi Ojaba Potok Singbu, Atu Matamda, GI registration Tonabasu Kangan K. Zanimski Assistant Professor, Senior Residence, Amadi Associate Professor Committee, Aksana, Tungan Bat Dabi Sing Tanduna, Mass Casual Lip Lodunangasi, Zanims Hospital among the protest of Ukraine. Wakat Bipamadu the Saru Yakiba Assistant Professor Dr. N. Kumarjana Haikibada, Aikogi demanding Yami, Maru in a teaching faculties sing the time scale promotion PBU, regular senior residence ki sanction post charge yaki tamu, time scale promotion atopa staging, Gawati na Chingbada Pikre, Aikoina Taliba, Dabi Singh, Sarkar ki Makaitigi, response Pirak Trabadi, Hayangdagi Matam Kaktaba, seize work strike sanction lagani. Ekoi medical college da Laibarina, Dr. Kakta Natana Ozasu Oiribani, teaching faculty ama oina promotion PBU Haiki.
Ada time scale promotion si akoi sahi ama makai amuk hemdagi akoi honor jarakani ada akoi CM ki level dagi honorable CM ki level dagi akoi da bhavel assurance si kya amuk PB re adu thabak oina ondorak tabase yu udabase sidai da akoi amukana ngasi jo amuhanna changin jabani ada ngasi akoi 2 August dana casual leave oina tawjaba aduga karigumba authority dagi response ama bokko lakta taro irgadi akoi hayeng dagi di indefinite strike tawbena akoi plan di lejari.
Tribal Affairs and Hills ki Minister N. Kayasin Nagasi, Directorate of Tribal Affairs ta Pension Cell Mahangdokray. Tormudda Minister N. Kayasina Atu Mitung Tribal Affairs and Hills ki Director Arthur Warchuyona Tormapu Amadi Additional Chief Secretary Lekogin Hawkim na Akanomitung Oibagulena Tormadu da ADC Singit Chairman Singh Official Singh Amadi Staff Singh Sarugyaki. Ngasigi Thorum ki manung chana Minister na Chingi Singi Oiba Mobile Dispensary Van Amadi Ambulance Handok Pagalorena Mioi Chani ki seat capacity leba conference also Handok K. Ngasi Pensioner Cell Handok Pasina Chingi Autonomous District Council Tarukta Laiba Pensioner Singi Kanava Piragani Thorumaduda Wangangaduna Minister Kayasin Haiki
District Council IBC Jamna Singadi Lamnamono Oiba Damna Effective Oiba Ipamanamani Aduna Nasi Aina District Council Gate Doi Karmajar Singa Anibani I quit Nasi di Pension C Long Stop Kabina District Council Ikarmajar Singa Hena Kabayona Kabato Bigini Kapsi Ajay
Forest and Environment Mantri T. Sam Kumar Haikray Andro Kendra ki chinya nakpa khulgi lamhang singda water body sembalabadi matang chahida lau uba yarak raw matamda sizinaba yagani maramaduna tungi khalaga water body sembatchi Nomagi akoibagi khal kaitaraliba asi uwa thasi kendra asigi chingyagi kulsingda ising tungchuna thamnaba pokri tawriba asi MLA gi local area development fund amadi sarkar gi tuan ba bibag singa kosamduna packet pani haiki Wapamasi Forest and Environment Minister Sam Kumar Chingduna Kendra Sigi Chingkong Chingya Singda water body sebat pagi Taurang packet pa Hobagi Saru Ama Oina Poiro Kongjingi Kaina Mandir Chingya Chingkongda water body sebat pa Hobada Mantrina Pudo Kibani Tarmaduda Kulatuki Mui among Tortuna Nubilising Amarom Saru Yaduna Kaina Manaki Chingkongda Achoba Pukri Sembatuna Noju Tar Ising Tungtun Tarang packet pa Hokre Oza waling a character amuk no Oza transferred or a tolibasi yanin the Pundotana Johnston Higher Secondary School Students Union Nasidagi Schoolasi Tingjele Haina Schoolasagi Social and Culture Secretary Catherine Dijan Singer Promise in the Fundokray. Nasi Schoolasi Yam Mahiro in Oza transferred to Yanin the Fundotuna Schoolasi get Kongson Sanction Cray. Kongson Sida Saruya Kiva Dijan Makatan Haiki. Oza transfer toba amadi school asigi awat pa oza menkat pinaba mamang do kongjang kaya changsin khrei kongjang asi school asigi oza transfer tokibana maram oiduna school asigi mai racing da chaun awaba mai nare maram aduna oza transfer toba yaroi atu matamda oza transfer kakpigadabani masi haina lenga asi mai racing sentiment khangdana hana watunu leiribagi matakta handak amu school asigi oza ama transfer toktokiba asi ekoi pende Thongasi Lady Bob Mahiro Singasi Karisu Lectana Kanbani, Maramaduna, Nasidaki School as Tingile. Mahiro Sigi Punsi Mahanba, Pambra, Natraga, transfer Satkibo Oza, School Asida Halahanba Pambra and Hangladuna, School Asigi Hoji transfer Satkibo Ozasi, English Department ki Oza Tonini. Oza Asina Maki Atimba Kaya Kai Toklaga, School Asigi, Mahiro Singu, Parabadi Kanduna, Yamna Luna, Machadona Kalaga Light Takpira Kibani. Ozasi matang matam chatana legana transfer tok pikibani session hogolakpada oza ama transfer chatkibadagi yamna wan leiringe cherakta oza ama amu transfer tokibani thongasidi mairoi purmaki keren manganbani oza asi school asi oinadi ngaklog sambalni oza asi chakkibatamda mahaki mohut sina oza leiroi maramaduna oza toni gi transfer order asi atu matamne kakkadabani school asida hanagi pibumda adumuk lehenba loinana school asida hanadagi watlag le oza sing hapkadabani natrabadi school asi matam kattana thingjil haina mang makha takhi
atuba matamda haiba transfer order sakibo ozaji atuba matamda transfer revoke toraga hanagi matawgum transfer sakibo ozaji class adum nixijana puhan biba amadi waliba oza akoi atumo tamda hapiba aduna tabata gadi akoi ngasi haiba ngasi sidagi akoi school asi akoi Johnston Higher Secondary School gi student union gi side tagi school je akoi matam kaktana tingjan jare aduduga akoi sairak tingai sairak asida akoi haiba akoi hoji oza transfer order kaktat piba amadi awat pa hapirak ta gadi hanagi matawgumna akoi class ka adum continue phajana sakta jagani
Kaching district ki manung chanaleba Lamaidong the Health and Wellness Center amangasi Hianglam Kendagi MLA Dr. Y Rajesh Samna Hanoi Matung ina handokre Ayushman Bharat ki Makhada District Health Society Kaching na Sinduna Lamaidong Dramatic Union ki Sanglenda Pangtok kiba ngasigi Lamaidong Health and Wellness Center handokoi thoram aduda Dr. T.H. Somarendro Chief Medical Officer, Mission Director, Kakchingna Ato Mitung, Dr. Y. Rajesh Syam, MLA, Hianglam Assembly Constituency, Thoromapu, Yumnam Bedapati, Pradhan, Lamidong Gram Panchayat, Dr. H. Surjit Kumar, Nodal Officer, NCD, Clinic, HWC, and Quality Assurance, Amasung, Dr. E. Kiran, Medical Officer, in charge, Primary Health Center, Hianglam Ahuna, Akana Mitung Singh, Waina Sarugyaki. Thoromaduda MLA Dr. Y. Rajesh Syamna Mahaki Warol Piradan Hai Narendra Modi no Chingliba BJP Gilangak Asina Miam Gidamak Packet Liba Health and Wellness Center Hangduktuna Miamu Masa Mau Pana Tamnuba Packet Liba Skimasi Malem Gilepa Kayana Yamna Pamnari Center Asina Non-Communication Disease Hybrid Hypertension Diabetes Cancer Nachingba Anaba Singh Dagi Ngaktrok Naba Hidak Singh Panganba Amasung Mama angang amasung mirolbis singda immunization na chingba pangthok pada mapung oiba center asigi thodang nei Hianglam Assembly constituency ki oina center ahum phangbagi manungda ngasi sangariba sina hanbani center sina lamdam asigi miyamda mapung phana kanaba pinaba staff singna honabiu miyamda su center asina pinaba kanaba singasi lobiu ngasigi health and wellness center olaba primary health sub center asi primary health center on khatnaba lengana thajo pikib lekrei laibak thiribadi mamangda palamba lenga aduna sen don kaya tonduna tambiramba kaya aduna ngasigi lenga asina chakot thaurangi tabuk paikhet pada tintahan bani haina phongdoki
hanagi sub center da tawmeba angang amudi mirom bida matam chana hida kapa pithapagi thabak makhoi mirom bibu check tawagi thabak iron folic acid pijabagi thabak aduta natana ngasidi sigumba health and wellness center se upgrade tor matunari aina ngasa hajariba non communicable disease mayam singa se ai inakta yumanakta lariba sub center se chatala ahan thaki khangtok na bai upai do pige dore
tungi mirol gi damak khallaga hianglam kendra da pak sana u thabagi campaign amasu ngasi kendra sigi MLA Dr. Radhisyam na hongdokre ngasi ahoba numita lamaidong playground amasung primary health center lamaidong gi akoibada u chara kaya thakre u chara thabi campaign adu hongdokladuna MLA Dr. Radhisyam na phongdokibada global warming na maram moiduna tungda lehogadaba icha isu singi phibam asi kiningai oire aying asagi phibam honglakpana maram moiraga phokthok chathok tasu achoba hongba lagle hingbada achoba chaiting pirklei maramaduna mausa lairebigi hanigi phibamadu hanjinnaba honabada akanba safu amagaloina ichang thona thabak packet patai haiki District Hospital Management Society Thobana Sinduna Khabok Leiba District Hospital Thobalgi Sanglenda Sikh Newborn Care Unit SNCU ama handok pagaloina certificate course in community health for nurse BPCCHN 5th batch ki induction program amsu pangthokre ngasigi SNCU handok pagi thorum aduda state mission director Dr. S Manikanta Singana atu mitung District Hospital Thobagi Medical Superintendent Dr. Sage Memcha Devina Thorumapu Igno Infalgi Regional Director Dr. S J Nitirajan amasung Thobalgi Chief Medical Officer Dr. N Jayantakumar Singana akano mitung sing oina sarugyaki Tharumadu mari lenana District Hospital Thobalgi Senior Pediatrician Dr. W. Rohini Kumar Singana Sikh Newborn Care Unit SNCU ki matangda wangangki amadi NG Monota Devina Certificate Course in Community Health for Nurse BPCCHN haiba asig matangda wangangki amadi PMJAY ki matangda su state team amana wangangduna miyamda gyan tanki Tharmaduda District Hospital Management Society Thobalgi member sing Dr. Nurse Asa amasung tuan ba mi kaya sarugyaki State Mission Director Dr. S Manikantana Thorum mari lenana haikibada lamdam asida leiriba mipum kuding asi haksel gi lamda pagatnaba department ki maikaidagi leptana honari maru oina sarkari thabak phangaudraba laibagi pankhai makhada leiba praja singi oinadi ahenba kudong chaba kaya pinaba scheme kaya phanganduna honari Medical Department ki miyoi singna haksel ga mari leinaba hiram kayada miyam gi mating thamoi singna pangnaba honaminasi haiki
So what we're trying is that in this way what we are going to train. We're trying to provide free of services it may be free diagnostic initiatives or it may be free medicine initiatives. What we will try.
BJP Manipur Pradesh ki makhada BJP Hianglam Mandal na sinduna Mandal asigi membership drive 2019 ngasi Lamaidong Dramatic Union hall da pangtokre punna cheminasi lebak seminasi haiba wakhalonda pangtokiba membership drive adu hokdokpagi thorum aduda Manitko amasung Manitron gi chairman su oiriba Hianglam Assembly constituency MLA Dr. Wairadesh Syamna atu mitung BJP Hianglam Mandal gi President Hemant Thodam Thorumapu BJP Manipur Pradesh ki State Enrollment in Charge L. Deben Organization Secretary P. Premanand Maitei Yuba Morcha ki President P. Somorjit Enrollment District Coordinator PH Phoni Meitei, District Enrollment in Charge U Ibomcha, BJP Kaksing District President KH Ragumani, Nachimba Kayana Akademitung Chingpoina Saruyaki. Tharumaduda Dr. Y. Radhesyamna Phungdokibda, English in Taramagadi Taranipan Foba BJP active member Koinamba Singh Adugi Matam Loikre, primary member Singidi English in Kunmatoi Foba Oikigani, drive asi BJP active member Amok Oye Harabadi, Maki Makata, primary member Kunmagadi Tadana, Ming Changadabani, Maramaduna, Ekoi Kanahonamirasi Haina Phungdoki. Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad ABVP Jiribam Unit ki District Organizing Secretary Amadi National Executive Council members oiba Sarumbam Inaukchana Luchingduna Jiribam District Mahiroi and Bebisana Mihat Asibu Achumba Putoktuna Justice Pangnabagi Pandamda Signature Campaign Ama Jiribam Higher Secondary School Dagi Hokdo Kray Ngasigi Signature Campaign Aduda Jiribam Higher Secondary School, Cambridge English School, RK Sanatobi Vidyalaya, Highway English School, Model English School, Amadi Blooming Flower Children English School, Nachingba School Sing Asigi Mairoi Singdagi Signature Campaign Sing Komki. Ngasigi Signature Campaign Adugi Matangda Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Jiribam Unit ki District Organizing Secretary Amadi National Executive Council members oiba Sarumbam Inaukchan Haikebada Handak Ikui Kuidringaida Standard Robert School gi Mahiroi Bebisana gi Mihat ki Matangda Manipur gi Laiba Civil Society Organizations Singna Achumba Putok Naba Haidana Sangsilba Kongzang Asida ABVP Nasu Mihat Asiya Achumba Pangnaba Haidana Jiribam District Asida Signature Campaign Tawbani Haina Fondoki Ngasi Signature Campaign Aduda Social activist Manoj Roy Sarugyaki. Thawal Ketri Lekai Digi Chahi Taramdoi Surbi Nipimacha Amasu Japanese encephalitis na Nare Haina Garang confirm Toki Bagalona Ngasi Chief Medical Officer Thawal Officer CMO Thawal Jauna Integrated Disease Surveillance Unit Staff Singh Amadi National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program Staff Singh Oiba Khanam Nenaba Mipam Pangto Kray Oirukliba Pibam Masida Kupna Khanarba Tungda Medical Officer Thawal Dr. N. Jantakumana Pongdoropada Thawal District Laina Asina Nariba Masing Asi Housing Fawda Taramatoi Sure Harduna Housing Fawda Thawal District Taramatoi Sigmanuda Mioi Tara Amadi Masagi Chahi Kungi Makada Labor Naktani Amana Sayu Humdramataki Nihairi Mamangta July Mangada Kaibung the Hanboina Nupi Macha Amada Laina Asi Nare Haiba Kanglakibani District Health Society Thawal gi Maikedagi Tangai Fadaba Section Taurang Sing locally Harduna Laina Si Nare Haiba Mapam Kuding the Chatuna Fogging To Gi Tabaksu Pakali Haiki
Sa Bayu Oxing Nanganu Sing Dagi Lapunida Masumba Yung the Lainari Batagi Kratha and Loy Butaraso Medical Department is like Tagisu Nasiki say yang kena cooking to mana jadi potong jadi sador tanah.
Aina yadaba drug amasung atai polom sing more dagi infal to na pura kadori haibagi akak na pa mo pangbadagi. Thawal police ki commando gi DSP O Wangkhomba na luchingduna Sachidananda Soibam Elsne SP Ops ki Kaman Makada Nupi Police Yauna SP Thawal Dr. S. Ibom Chagi Miya Makada ngasi nutil Pung Ama Minute Kuntra Marom Tar Pa Tuaida Basu Ground Kabung Malaki National Highway Tramusuma Anida Mobile Frisking Amity Checking Chatagida Passenger Puba Silver Machugi Maruti Van Registration Number WB24Y4172 Chingnabati Kamduna Check Tobada Nga Akang Bahapa Plastic Basket Mari Manunda Sapon case mga yawa polythene packet amaga amuwa packet kontragi polythene packet amaga yarum ki packet singadu hangdok lobada polythene packet mga adudana heroin powder tingnaba gram yang kaini panjarom ki amadi polythene packet kontra adudana WY tablet lising humpurom yarum bathenaki polam singadu puramba jari poktagi khoirom ongbi sakhi tobi bapureba khoirom tomba chayum pumanga Thawal police station da pot singadu ga lorena sinakre haidi KCP People's War Group na Sangai Proudaliba Father Principal Reverend Victor na caretaker gi loina sana unidun leire Catholic Education Society Manipur gi director oi haiduna aran mong da changchi le ha pau che sing da phongat khiba adu janindo phondok da ngasi nungtil Saint Joseph School gi mamang da oja amadi mairi china wakan mi pam pam duna protest tawkre protest adu da Parent Teachers Association amsung lekai mena pa bisi saru yake protest adu da saru yake ba Father Victor na phondok pada mangon da siriba maral mi pham yakte tawkiba amat leite police amadi army sin aduna ngathong na hona ba leite character assassinate tobi na ba hona begano mera paibi roni na phongdo kibda father asida organization asina sirule ba maral lergadi purb ka pibiu praman piba gamdra mi amabu lana sandok begano haiki
be priest, we live with moral values. I take moral science in my class, and if I don't have morality, then how can I teach my children? So this is just to stripping us off this kind of allegation, especially womanizing and all those things.
Unlawful Activities Prevention Amendment Bill 2019 ngasi Parliament passed away. Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967 asibu amend tawna July punda Lok Sabha approve tawki adubu Rajya Sabha nadi voice vote pass tawragasu selection committee da amhana thadakina warep lokibani House na amendment to the law adugi favor da vote chamni pu tare laiki aduga madugi maytuna vote lipuni thoi laiki amendment ki matang da khanarapada Union Home Minister Amit Shah na haiki ek asi chana halakpada Human Rights khongong na haloi Unlawful Activities Prevention Amendment Bill 2019 asina miyoi amabu terrorist ni haina loktokpa amadi ma ki lantum matpagi sakti central government piri Gujarat ki Badodara da ising ichaw ki phim pagalak le hairi nong chuba lep ki badagi ising imai hantarakpada Badodara ki prajamyam sor hondok le hairi Ising ichaw manuda mayum hongdok hankiba singda compensation pigin haina Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani na lokthokre ichaw da sikraba singi imung manunda lupa lakh mari pigin haiki Biswamitri Turel ki imayam masu Azwa Dam ki imai su hantakre ising piba amadi electric supply tham hore hairi Sagol sil numoda phawda Central Gujarat da chamnga ki changyong na nong chokhi lambi kaya ising tumin kibadagi train kaya ki service cancel tawkre National Disaster Relief Force ki ahenba team manga su Badodara thajinduna rescue operation da mateng pangali Prime Minister Narendra Modi ni ichawna solaba Gujarat ki miyam da pangbu yaba mateng pigin hana phongdokre Housing aroibada maroiba paw amana bezari Kunsuba State Handloom Numit ngasi pangtokre Directorate of Tribal Affairs da Pension Cell ama Tribal Affairs and Hills Minister N. Kayasina andokre Loinana Unlawful Activities Prevention Amendment Bill 2019 Lok Sabha da passed away ngasigi damakta di image Paodam pijo matang ase lusinjari mehap amukana khurumjari